Hey guys, what's up? It's Donnelly coming back at you on a Friday night. And I know I had uploaded a video and I took it down because I was making a video trying to be funny on like what not to do on an online dating site, meaning like what not to write like on your essay. And I figured I was probably giving off some subliminal potential like negative vibes and so forth. And I know it is the holiday season, and yes, the holiday blues are going to be abound here and there, but I'm doing my best to keep the holiday blues aside. And today, I have finally decided to start learning how to use Power BI. Yes, it is a data visualization tool like Tableau. And when it comes to getting the skills to be a data analyst, well, Excel, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI, yes. And so here it is, guys. This is the very first dashboard I have ever created using Power BI. So, yeah, this has been a pretty productive day, and it is helping to keep those holiday blues at bay. So, if I come down over here, this is the data set I was using. And if you were watching my live stream last night, I was doing some stuff with Excel. And so, this is the exact same data that I pulled, that I was using, and I pull that data onto this platform here. And of course, using this data, we've got our columns here. We've got the sales agent, we've got the country, the date, the month, the model, and the color. And then, of course, this is where Power BI comes in handy because you're able to create visualizations of your data and you're able to tell a story. So, of course, like this is the very first dashboard I've ever created using Power BI. However, it is interesting that there are a lot of similarities in the software I was using during my internship. Different names for some of the different gadgets you have here, but generally the overall concept is pretty much identical. Like you want to make sure that if you're trying to make it as aesthetically pleasing as possible, you want to make sure you have all your charts line up with one another. Just try to make it look nice and tidy. And so, of course, what I've got here is I've got like the total amount of sales for 2021. This is like the minimum sale. This was the maximum sale, which was just under $40,000. And then, of course, this was like the total number of sales, which was 1,000. Then, of course, I broke it down by sales agent in descending order. So if you were to click in here, you would see that Steve Dawson had the greatest amount of sales for the year 2021. Then I decided to make a pie chart breaking down the sales by car model. And of course, you got the legend here. Then I decided to do a tree map, kind of breaking down sales by month, and then breaking it down by country. So I decided to use a map for this one. And what's really cool is if you actually click, you can actually click on it, and it actually affects the rest of the dashboard. So, like, let's see, if I click on my name, it's only going to be concerned with sales that I made. Hypothetically speaking. Of course, I'm no salesman. I mean, I could not even sell my way out of a paper bag. So that's kind of why I'm not really going into any kind of like sales field per se. Definitely not personal training or being a used car salesman. Yeah, that would probably not be the wisest career choices. But that's what's really cool about this. So I kind of want to share that with you guys. Yeah, my very first dashboard, and I will be posting this on my LinkedIn. So Power BI, there is a lot more to learn. As you can see, you've got all these different kinds of widgets up here. You've got, if I go back to my home screen, of course, you can get your data from Excel. You can get it from a database. I can get it from like a SQL server. If I have to like pull in multiple data sets, so it gets a lot more complex from here on out. But yeah, I feel pretty good. I feel like I've accomplished something today, and that is learning a very valuable skill, which of course is highly sought after. As a matter of fact, my one of my roommates is actually using this for his job. So it is a very valuable skill to have. It's like considered probably like one of the top 5 skills to be working on. So yeah, good old Power BI makes it really. It can make those visualizations, add some power to your data visualizations. So that's my spiel for this Friday night. I mean, excuse me, Thursday night. Oh my gosh. Whew. For some reason, I feel like it's Friday night, but no, it's Thursday night, guys. Because, yep, tomorrow I go into work and I work Friday through Sunday at the ski area. So maybe that's why I feel like it's Friday night. I don't know, but it's Thursday night and I got to tone my voice down because it's getting a little late now. So I don't want to keep my roommates up. So hope you guys enjoyed this, but it's been an awesome Thursday. And finally, getting my feet wet with some Power BI. I'll be coming back at you guys soon enough. Until then, peace out.